Right, big breaking news coming in right now, viewers. Once more, Lok Sabha stands adjourned, viewers, amid the big ruckus that we just heard. So both the houses of the parliament, the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha, have now been adjourned. This is coming in as once ago again we saw so much of ruckus in the house. This is the big update we have got for you right now on Republic TV. Remember that Lok Sabha Speaker has again and again urged the members of the House to maintain decorum of the House and highlighted that the methods adopted by the opposition parties to protest goes against the fundamental principle of the House. This is what we see right now. The opposition party members have been disrupting the business of the House continuously today itself, again and again, and they've disrupted the question hour, and the House was adjourned till 12 p.m. And once more, Lok Sabha has been adjourned once again within 17-18 minutes of it reconvening. So this is what we see right now here on Republic TV. This is coming in, viewers, as we see charges being traded in the House. A lot of ruckus. Once more, we see that before the Parliament, we saw Kiren Rijiju also point out that Rahul Gandhi is taking part in dramatics instead of being inside the Parliament as a responsible MP. So this is what we're learning of right now on Republic TV. Rajya Sabha has already been adjourned for the day. Rajya Sabha was adjourned after it reconvened at 12. As soon as the House had assembled, the opposition and ruling party members started trading charges over issues of George Soros and also the Adani issue, which was being raised by the opposition. MPs from both sides are raising slogans in support of the issues they wanted to raise, forcing the chairman Jagdeep Dhankar to adjourn the proceedings of the House till 11 a.m. tomorrow. And pictures coming in right now, viewers. Live pictures coming in right now, viewers, from the Parliament. We're showing you the live pictures as Lok Sabha has been adjourned amid the ruckus. Remember that Kiren Rijiju had also spoken amid the ruckus in the House, saying the Congress needs to apologize for the connection with George Soros. Okay, we move ahead right now. We're getting some more updates coming in where RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav has made a remark. This time the target of his remark is Bihar CM Nitish Kumar. So he has made a sexist remark. We'll tell you exactly what it is right now. This is a big breaking update coming in where he has made this remark, sparking a huge, massive controversy. The ruling JDU and NDLI JP have condemned